Hey guys, as you can see, a lot of illnesses and injuries appear on the right side of the screen. That actually means you can heal them yourself without going to a doctor, another player, or even an NPC at a clinic. Yes, it's completely possible to recover on your own. There are a few important things to keep in mind though. This method doesn't cost anything, but every illness heals in a different way. The game also doesn't explain how each one works, so most of the time you have to figure it out by trial and error. That said, I found a few useful ones that should make things easier for you. For example, a basic sprain from falling off a high place will heal on its own if you just keep playing normally for about 1 to 2 hours, as long as you don't fall again. Mental conditions can be cured by spending some time near running water. Asthma can be healed by applying the burn status, which you can do by staying close to a fire for a short while. Alcohol indigestion clears up if you simply wait for the debuff to wear off and avoid drinking alcohol for a few hours. There are definitely more conditions and some are probably more specific, but this should give you a solid starting point. As I find more, I'll leave them in the comments. But for now, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.